Thanks for tuning in and welcome to the channel. Today we're discussing the spider plant. The spider plant, scientifically known as Chlorophytum comosum, is a beloved houseplant that adds a touch of grace and charm to any indoor space. Its long, arching leaves resemble spider legs, hence its name, and feature a vibrant green color with a white or yellow stripe running along the center. Spider plants are renowned for their air-purifying abilities, effectively removing harmful toxins from the surrounding environment. They are easy to care for and thrive in a variety of light conditions, making them a versatile choice for both beginner and experienced plant enthusiasts. Another remarkable feature is their ability to produce baby spider plants, or spiderets, that dangle from the parent plant, allowing for easy propagation. With their attractive foliage, air-cleaning properties, and effortless propagation, spider plants are a popular choice for those seeking a low-maintenance and visually appealing indoor plant. Links can be found below in the description box below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.